Alright, so Ghibli art is trending now. I'll be honest, I've used this feature once. It almost matched the style, but it lacked one crucial thing, the true Ghibli aesthetic and feel. It was fine, but it can and should never replace real art. I'm seeing people who aren't even familiar with Studio Ghibli jumping on this trend. That's fine if it's just a one time thing, but beyond that, it starts to feel off. What I hate the most about ChatGPT is that they stole the art without Miyazaki's permission, and now they're charging money for it. You have to be on a whole other level of audacity to do that. Sam acts like he created something new. No, you didn't. You just stole someone's art and are now pretending it's something original. I used to respect him, really, I did. But now I just see another money hungry rich guy. And guys, please try converting your photos into Ghibli style art yourselves. It might not be perfect, but at least you made it. Let's not let human creativity die. Peace.